Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate your presence, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Today I'm going to teach you about downloading YouTube videos using VLC. Guys, have you ever been in this situation where you've watched a video, movie or any clip and would wish to download to no avail? I've got you. Stay with me till the end of this tutorial. I know you've tried a lot of time, but let me take you through this. First of all, you need to have a VLC media player. You need to have a VLC media player. If you don't have a VLC media player, go to your favorite browser, then search for the VLC player so that you can work it out. Right? You just go VLC media player, you search, you click on download, then you go about it. Thank you. Now, depending on which movie you want to download, like for example, I'm going to use a YouTube video of this Zuri Award nominee Mary Mbaka. I'm going to use her video to demonstrate this one. Now, I've done this prior to this recording, so this is the video. You first of all identify the video, like this one. I've identified this video. You just click on it. Right? You play it. Then after it has started playing, you pause it. Then after you have paused it, you click here, then you copy this link. You copy this link, you copy the link. After copying the link, you go to your VLC media player, you click on media. After clicking on media, go to open network stream, right? Then you paste here. You can just delete this, then you paste whatever you had copied from there. So then after doing that, you click play, right? Click play, then you wait for it. You can see the VLC player is decoding this video. There you are. You can see we have our video. Now after you have done that, you pause the video, then you go to tools, right? Then you go straight to codec information. Alright? After you have reached codec information, you come and copy this one, right? On your keyboard, I'm using Windows, you click Control All so that you make sure you don't miss any of these codes, right? Then you copy, okay? You copy, then you open a new tab and you paste. You paste here whatever you had copied. You paste it. Alright? Then you hit on enter so that it can load. I want you to watch what we are doing. Alright? I think this alright?
My name is Mary Mbaka, the founder Hearts of Ruiru Sports Center.
Now, then after you have done that, you come here, then you hit on download. Alright? You can see it has started downloading your video. As soon as we are done, I'm going to show you this video. Just as simple as that. Alright? Just as simple as that. Meanwhile, as it is downloading, let us watch our own.
Using sports to address various issues that youths are facing in our community. The center was started in 2012 and it became as a result of so many youths falling into crime and coming into prison. Youths that are as young as 15 years, and that pained me as a person, because one of our core objectives of prison service is to do rehabilitation of prisoners. And before you do rehabilitation, you have to know the underlying factors that push someone into crime. And so I realized that the many young people that are falling into crime are being pushed by the society, the state of the society, mainly poverty and alcoholism, drug and substance abuse. So our main aim is to create awareness about the issues that the kids are facing, so that the kids may have information before they enter into crime. Because most of them are too young and they have got into crime because of what they see back in their families. Maybe their parents are alcoholics, or maybe their parents are...
Thank you, Mary Mbaka. Now we are done. This is the video. I'm clicking on it. Let us see. Right, it is now playing on our VLC. This is the video. Thank you. That was all for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you. My name is Matata Hemstone. Have a nice time. May God bless you.